Hey guys, and welcome back to LeapFX tutorial on how to install the money tree robot on Blaze Market's MT4. Today, I'm going to walk you through the installation process step by step and explain to you what I'm doing so that you can understand. Step number 1, you need to install the MetaTrader 4. First, you need to install the MetaTrader 4 platform provided by the Blaze Markets. You can download it for free from their websites. You can visit it. You can visit their website from blazemarkets.com. This is their homepage, and you just need to click the platforms. After that, it will display the platforms page. So for the Blaze Market, they have for the desktop, for the MT4, they have also for iOS and also for Android. But we will discuss for the MT4 for desktop. So you just need to click the download, and after that it will display on where your folder did you save it. So for mine, I have here on my desktop. So you just double click it and just click yes, and just click next and also proceed, and after that it will finish for the Blaze Markets. And I will not click it because I've already installed my MetaTrader 4 platform. Okay, and that's it. And after that, it will open the Blaze Market account. So this is the example. I have a demo account, and I have also a live trade account, but I will only display my demo account for this video tutorial. So I have the Blaze Markets demo over here. Okay, that's it for the installation for the MetaTrader 4 platform. Now the next step would be the step number 2. How do we configure the MetaTrader 4 platform? So we just need to prepare first the MetaTrader 4. So we need to configure it that it will it will display, or it will run a robot for the money tree. Okay, so you just need to click the tools and click options. After that, you would need to go to expert advisors here and click allow automated trading, and also the allow DLL imports. Okay, so after that you need to click OK. Okay, now we're done for that part. And the next step will be we need to install the money tree robot. So we're done with step number 2. Now we're going to step number 3. We need to install the money tree robot. Where can we find it? So we can find it on the LeapFX membership account. So it will be sent to you by your email, and you can log in, and this will be displayed on your homepage for the members area. Okay, now on the active subscription, you can see here we have the money tree robot. You just need to click it. After you click it, you will have the instructions here from step 1 to 6. So there will be steps for you to proceed for the download of the MetaTrader for the money tree robot. So there's a question for step number 1. Do you have a forex broker? Yes, we already have for the Blaze Markets. For the next one, do you have a VPS or what we call a virtual machine, so you could run the money tree 24 hours 24/7 uninterrupted? So we could discuss this for the next video, guys. So for step number 3, we really need to activate our license before installing. So just click the button activate the money tree robot now, and it will display from this part over here. So since I've already activated mine, so that is why it displayed that your account is now activated. But before that, you just need to input your receipt, your email address, and also your MT4 login number. So what will be your receipt? The receipt will be sent to you by your email, guys, by your email. And for the email address, the one that you've signed up for the LeapFX, and for the MT4 login number, that would be your MT4 account. For example, mine is here. So this is my account 110-947-0408. This is my demo account. So that would be the MT4 login number. So once done, it will display this part here, the color red, that your account is now activated. So once you're done, after that, you need to proceed for step number 4. So for step number 4 is you need to download and install the software and manual. So just click the button here, and you just need to save it to your folder from downloads or any from your desktop. You can put it there. Now for mine, I've already downloaded it on my desktop, so it's right here, and you just need to extract it and put it anywhere, any folder you want, and just click. For mine, I just need to put it on desktop and just click a new folder. So after that, you need to click OK. So once done, it will display on your desktop over right here. Since I've already extracted once, so it's already twice, so I need to delete this one. So I have here the folder. So we have the MT5 money tree, and we have also the MT4, but we really do recommend for the MT4, guys. Okay, and we have also the manual. So just click or open the manual. We have here the manual, guys, and you will see here the important is there's so many instructions here for the manual. You just need to read it, so you'll understand what is how can you run the money tree robot. So before that, since we've already downloaded the money tree, so we need to copy this one for the money tree, and we need to put it on the folder of the Blaze Market platform. Where can we find it? So just click File and open Data folder. So this will display the folder of the MT4. Now where can we paste the money tree robot? So just click MQL4 and go to Experts. Once done, you just need to paste the money tree, but I've already pasted it here, so I have the money tree version 10.ex4. Okay, once done, where can we find it, or where can we be sure that where's the money tree? We can find it on the navigator. It's already here. Okay, so that would be the step number 4. So we need to open the navigator window. So if you can find your navigator, just click F4 on your keyboard, or just you can see it on your left side of your screen or on the platform. So in here we have the money tree. If you can't find it on your at the left side or on the navigator, you need to click refresh, or you can close the platform and open it again, and you can finally see it the money tree version 10. Now once done, once you've seen the money tree robot, so you are good to go. But what else? What are you going to do, or what else do you need to prepare? So that would be the step number 5. You need to open all the charts for the currency pairs to be traded, and also you need to set the time frame. So the question is, what are those currency pairs that we need to open? So it's on the manual. These are the pairs that we've recommended. We have here USD CHF, GBP USD, Euro USD. We have the USD CAD, and the rest, all of it. And we need to set the time frame into M15. Okay, we have here the M15. You need to set it for the time frame. Okay, let's proceed all of it. We need to put first USD CHF. Okay, we have here the USD CHF. Just right click and click chart window. Okay, it will open the charts. And after that, what's the next part? We have the GBP USD. Okay, chart window, and we have the Euro USD, USD CAD. Okay, we have the USD CAD, AUD USD, the Euro GBP, chart window, Euro AUD. Next, Euro CHF and Euro JPY, and AUD NZD, AUD NZD. There you go. We have AUD CAD, AUD CHF, and we have Euro NZD, Euro NZD here, chart window, NZD USD, NZD USD, chart window, and we have NZD CAD, okay, NZD CAD, NZD CHF, and also NZD JPY, the last one. Let's find it, NZD JPY here. So we have all the charts, but again, we have to put it on the M15 time frame. Okay, just click the window and put M15. Just click the window again, just click M15, another window, M15, NZD USD, you need to click M15. And what else? USD CHF you have here, so put it on the M15 time frame. GBP USD on M15, Euro USD have M15, USD CAD, AUD USD, Euro GBP M15, Euro AUD M15, sorry, okay, and Euro CHF M15, Euro JPY M15, AUD CAD, AUD CHF, Euro NZD, NZD USD. Okay, that's good. You just need to maximize this one. Okay, that's good, guys. We've already set the time frame for all of it for M15, so we can see it. You just need to click this one, so it will automatically arrange all the windows. Okay, that's good, right? Now what is the next step? So the next step, we need to, step number 6, we need to attach the monetary EA to the charts. How can we do that? To attach the monetary EA to a chart, just simply drag and drop it from the navigator window to the chart. Again, we just simply drag. So we have here the monetary version 10, just simply drag and drop it from the navigator window to the chart. For example, I just drop it, I just click the monetary version 10 and drop it on here for the USD CHF. Okay, that's good. Now the question is, what would be the you can put it here, the inputs, and just input your receipt and also for the email. Now for my receipt, for example, mine is John MTF. And what would be the lot size? So the lot size would be, we have here some examples here for the wrist and lot size. Now if you have a $500 and less on your account, so you can, for the low risk you have 0.1 to 0.2, for the medium 0.04 to 0.08 lot size, and high risk for 0.1 to 0.2 lot sizes if you have a $500 account. For 1,000 and 2,000 you can put it here, you can for the lot sizes. And for $3,000 to $5,000 we recommend these lot sizes over here. So but if you want to, if you have less than, for example, for my demo account I have the $5,000, so I'm here for the low risk. So I'll just go for the low risk, 0.05. I'll just put it here, 0.05. okay, and after that just click OK. Okay, so once done, so we have, you can see it here as smiley face here, so that means it's all good, and we have here the license is valid. So you just do the rest, all of the currency pairs. So just click it and drop it, click, then put the receipt, and also for the lot sizes 0.05, just click OK, and it will, we have here the license is valid, and also we have a smiley face. All of it, guys, you can put it here. Okay, then the receipt and 0.05, Okay, just click OK. Okay, we have the license valid, and we have also 0.05 again, and all of it. Oh, it already traded. Wow, it's so fast, man. It's so fast for the money tree. It's so good. Okay. Okay, again for the receipt and 0.05, all of it. Wow, it already traded for USD CAD, AUD USD, and Euro GBP. They're so good. Okay, for the receipt 0.05. Okay, again, this is a demo account only, so this is not a live trade. I mean, this is not the live account. But as you can see, even if it is on a demo account, it's already traded, right? It's so fast, guys. So good. For the money tree, oops, and put it on 0.05. And again, all of it until NZD JPY. So what if there's something wrong? If there's something wrong, so you can see the smiley faces here. For example, smiley faces here, it will just, it's not smiley, and it will the license will be put it into invalid. License is invalid, so there will be a problem. And also you can check it on the experts and also in a journal. So there will be some you can put it there. Okay, guys, now we've already done on step number 6. We've already done on step number 7. The step number 7 was to configure the money tree, where we put the email, the receipts, and also the lot sizes. And we've also already seen also the lot sizes we've recommended. And the last part is you need to start the money tree. But in our cases, it already started. Why? Because it automatically enable the automated trading. If you want to stop it, you just click this part here. So if it is X, that is disabled. If you want to make it green or make it trade, so just click it for the auto trading. Okay, so that is why it already started. So we've already done for the steps 1 to number 8. So that's it, guys. That's how you install the money tree robot. So you've now successfully installed and configured the money tree robot on Blaze Market's MT4. So you can now let it run for 24/7 to trade the currency pairs that you selected. So I hope, guys, this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you, guys.